Everyone says you need a gym membership to get healthy. Wrong. Hi, I'm Nurse Sherry, your quality longevity lifestyle and high performance coach. 10,000 steps a day is one of the most underrated longevity hacks. It lowers blood pressure, boosts mood, improves insulin sensitivity, and it doesn't cost a thing. Walking isn't basic, it's biohacking in motion. Forget the treadmill, reclaim your sidewalk, your brain, your heart, your metabolism. All benefit. Want a plan that fits your six-figure life and future-proofs your health? Join my workshop August 13th and 14th, what every woman over 35 making six figures needs to know to future-proof her health now. Link in the bio.